Good morning, my dear students. I welcome all of you in my YouTube channel Brilliant Study. Yesterday we have studied about the carbon and its compound. That means the compounds of carbon, and the compounds of carbon are known as the organic compounds. And we have studied about the different type of covalent bond in the organic compounds. Now today we will discuss about the hydrocarbons. First of all, we will understand about the hydrocarbon. What is hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon is the part of organic compounds which is made up of hydro and carbon. Hydro means hydrogen. So we can define the hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon is the compound in which carbon and hydrogen are present only. In another language, we can say that hydrocarbon are the organic compound in which there are hydrogen and carbons present only. And if we talk about the types of hydrocarbon, hydrocarbons are of two types. First is saturated hydrocarbon and the second is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbons which have single bond only. Single bond. Single bond. But unsaturated hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbons which have double bond or triple bond. It is double bond and it is triple bond. Now we will discuss about alkene and alkyne. Before knowing this, it is very important to know the some root name of some compounds. If and it is on the basis of number of carbon atoms. If there is one carbon atom, number of carbon atoms, and it is root name. If there is only one carbon atom, it will start with meth. If it is two, it starts with eth, 3, prop, 4, bute, 5, pent, 6, hex, 7, hept, 8, oct, 9, non, 10, dic. And in this way we can give the name of the carbon compound more than 11 that has the number of carbon atom more than 11. Alkane is the hydrocarbon in which there is single bond between all the carbon atoms. If we talk about its formula, then its formula is CnH2n plus 2. And we will give the name of the alkane by adding An with the root name. For example, if there is number of carbon atom 1, then according to this formula it will be C1H2 into 1 plus 2. That means C1H4. And in short we will write CH4. Here the number of carbon atom is 1 and the root name for 1 is meth, and we will add ANE. So the first compound of the alkane will be methane. In the same way, if we take the number of carbon atom 2, then the formula will be C2H2 into 2 plus 2. That means C2H6. Here the number of carbon atom is 2, so the name starts with 8 and ANE will be added with this, and the full name will be ethane. Now see the structure of the alkane group. The first member of carbon of alkane is methane, which formula is CH4, and we all know that the electronic configuration of carbon is 2 4. That means in the valence shell there are 4 electrons in the carbon atom. So we will draw like this. We will write the symbol of carbon in the middle and the electron in the dot form around the carbon atom, and the electronic configuration for hydrogen is 1. That means in the valence shell the number of electron is 1. So we will write here there are 4 electrons. Sorry, there are 4 hydrogen. First is 1, second one, third one, fourth one, and this is the electron for hydrogen, and for hydrogen. And we all know that hydrogen atom want to find its duplicate. So in this way the hydrogen atom will find its stability, that means duplicate. But we all know that the carbon atom will find its octet to find its stability. So the carbon atom has 4 electrons and it will share its electron with the electrons of hydrogen. So we will count the number of electrons. The first of all, there are 4 electrons of the carbon atom, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and in this way it will form its octet. And in this way we can draw the structure of carbon atom in the bond line structure. In the form of bond line structure, it will form carbon, hydrogen. The sharing between 2 electrons, one bond is formed, and this one bond, and this one bond, and this one bond. That means the carbon atom will find its 4 bond. Why? Because it has the valency 4. Now we will make a structure or table for the alkane. As I have discussed, alkane are the organic compound or the hydrocarbon in which all the carbon atoms are joined to each other by a single bond, and its formula is CnH2n plus 2. So we will put the number of carbon atoms in this formula. If the number of carbon atom equals to 1, n equals to 1, then it will be CnH2n plus 2. So the formula will be CH2 into 1 plus 2, 4, CH4. And we all know that if the number of carbon atom is 1, it starts with meth, and for alkane ANE will be added after the root name, so it will be methane. And if we discuss the structure of methane will be, look here, there is 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atom, and we all know that there are 4 bonds of carbon, first, second, third and fourth. So this is the structure of methane. Now take n equals to 2. The formula will be Cn H2n plus 2. The formula will be C2H6. And for carbon number 2, the name will start with 8 and A and E will be added. So it will be ethane. And there is number of carbon atom 2, 1, 2, and the number of hydrogen atom 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we all know that carbon has 4 covalent bond, single bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. If number of carbon atom 3, the formula will be C3H2 into 3 plus 2. That means C3H8. There are number of carbon atom 3. So name will start with prop and A and E will be added with it. Then it will be propane. And the structure is there are number of carbon atom 3. 1, 2, 3. Number of hydrogen atom 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we all know that carbon has 4 single bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way, this is the structure for propane. Now, take n equals to 4. The formula will be CnH2n plus 2. That means C4H10. Name will start with but and A and E will be added. Then the name will be butane. Here number of carbon atom 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the number of hydrogen atom 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The number of bond equals to will be 4 for carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this way, we can put the number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, dot up to infinite. And in this way, we can make a vast table for the alkane. Second hydrocarbon is alkene. What are alkene? The alkene are the hydrocarbon in which there are two covalent bonds between two adjacent carbon atoms. For example, C2H4, ethene. One more thing is the formula for alkene is CnH2n. So according to this formula, if we take n equals to 1, then the formula will be C1H2 into 1. That means the formula will be CH2. Let's try to find its structure. CH2. We all know that there is covalent bond and there is covalent bond, but there is no other element for forming a bond. So the structure or the compound methane, that means for the number of carbon atom 1, it is not possible to make a alkene. So the alkene starts with the carbon number 2. So we never write methane or we never talk about methane because there is no such a compound that is methane. If there is number of carbon atom 2, then according to this formula it will be C2H2 into 2. That means C2H4. So here will be number of carbon atom 2. and the structure will be like this. The number of carbon atom 2, 1, 2, and number of hydrogen atom is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we all know that here is single covalent bond, here is also, here is, and here is also. Here will be a single bond, but the number of covalent bond around the carbon atom will be 1, 2, 3. But we all know that carbon atom has 4 covalent bonds. So we will write other covalent bond between these two carbon atoms. In this way, in the alkene, there is one double bond between two carbon atoms. And now we will find a brief table for finding the structure, the name, the formula, the structure of the alkene. For alkene, the formula is CnH2n. And according to previous table, we will find another table for alkene. As I have discussed about you, if n equals to 1, there will be no formula, no organic atom, no organic compound for 1. So we will write with the carbon number 2. If we take n equals to 2, then it will be CnH2n. That means C2H4. Then there is number of carbon atom 2. So name start with 8th. Okay, but it is alkene, ENE. So here ENE will be added with this molecule, with the name of this molecule, and the structure will be C2H4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 bond, 2 bond, 3. 1, 2, 3. And here will be an extra bond. Now take n equals to 3. The formula will be C3H2 into 3. That means C3H6. The number of carbon atom 3. So name starts with pro, and ENE will be added with this, and the structure will be according to this formula. Here the number of carbon atom 3, 1, 2, 3. The number of hydrogen atom 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For carbon, 1 bond, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will put double bond here. So in this way we can write the formula, or we can write the structure for alkenes. Now we will discuss about the alkyne. One thing more, we can write the structure for carbon, for the number of carbon atom 4, 5, 6, 7 and dot 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 so on. Alkyne. What are alkyne? Alkyne are the hydrocarbon which have 3 covalent bond between 2 adjacent carbon atoms, and whose formula is CnH2n minus 2. And for the nomenclature for alkyne, it will be, root name will be added and YNE will be added for this, and the name will be alkyne. For example, for number of carbon atom meth, the meth will never form. if we talk about proof for number of carbon atom 3, and y and e will be added with this, and the name will be propyne. So discuss about this. Alkyne. The formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Let us start with n equals to 1. The formula will be C1H2 into 1 minus 2. That means it will be C1H0. That means C only. But we all know that C is not any compound, it is an element. So for number of carbon atom, alkyne will never form. Now go to n equals to 2. The formula will be C2H2 into 2 minus 2. That means it will be C2H2. Now find its structure. There are number of carbon atom 2, 1, 2, and number of hydrogen atom 2. So here will be one single bond, here will be one single bond, and other single bond will be 1, 2, 3. In this way, in the alkyne there will be 3 single bonds, 1, 2, 3. That means triple bond in the alkyne between the 2 carbon atoms. Now try to make a chart for alkyne in the previous way. If n equals to 1, there will be no compound. Now if n equals to 2, then it will be C2H2 into 2 minus 1 minus 2. Then the formula will be C2H2, and there is number of carbon atom 2, so name starts with eth, and y and e will be added with this. Then the name will be ethyne, and the formula will be the structure will be according to the formula. There is number of carbon atom 2, 1, 2, and number of hydrogen atom 2, 1, 2. Here will be single bond and here also. But between the carbon atoms, here will be 1, 2, 3 single bonds. That means triple bonds. For n equals to 3, it will be C3H2 into 3 minus 2. That means C3H4. Then name will start with proof, and y and e will be added and will be propyne. So for this atom, for this molecule, the structure will be C3, and hydrogen atom is 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here will be one single bond, here also, and here also, and here also. But between these 2 carbon atoms, there will be triple bond. Now find again the number of bonds around a carbon atom. For this carbon atom, the number of bonds 1, 2, 3, 4. For this 1, 2, 3, 4, and for this 1, 2, 3, 4. That means carbon has always 4 covalent bonds. For n equals to 4, C4H2 into 4 minus 2. The formula will be C4H6. The name starts with but, and y and e will be added, and the name will be butane. There is number of carbon atom 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The number of hydrogen atoms 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So try to find its bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Between these carbon atoms, there will be triple bond. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way, the structure will be like this. For n equals to 5, C5H25 minus 2. That means C5H8. The name will be pent and YNE will be added and will be pentyne. For this, the structure will be according to this formula. There is number of carbon atom 5. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of hydrogen atom 8. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now draw the bond around the carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For this 1. And between these two carbon atoms, here will be triple bond. So the number of total bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, and for this 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way, we can write the formula, structure and name for number of carbon atoms 5, 6, 7, 8 and dot 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 so on. I hope you have understood it better. What is hydrocarbon and the types of hydrocarbon, alkane, alkene and alkyne. And you have also learned about the structure of these molecules. So, if you find it better or if you find it understandable or benefitable, then like my channel Brilliant Study and share it with your friend and subscribe my channel.